Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Inspired Birdie. So I went to the Dollar Tree today and I grabbed all of these good items here. I really went to pick up some stuff for a Christmas DIY that I want to do. So those items are not in this video. You'll just have to wait and see for my holiday DIYs and when I post them. But I thought I would share with you guys the things that I did grab. So this is really just random stuff from all different categories. And if you're interested to see, then keep on watching. Okay, so where do we start? So here are some kid stuff that I actually picked up. Some kid books. So I've actually hauled this before, and I picked up another one just because the one that we currently have is getting kind of gross. My kid's been like chewing on it and it's just getting really disgusting, but she is obsessed with these books, the things that go on land, and there's one called Things That Go, I think it's called Sea and Air. And yeah, she just loves looking at these in the morning while she's having her breakfast. So I picked up another one. They also had a bunch of these really fun dinosaur adventure books, and they all had like different dinosaurs in them, but I thought this one was the cutest, so I grabbed it, and it's all these pop-ups. If you hear really weird grunting in the background, guys, so sorry. It's my dog. He is grooming himself. But look at how adorable this is. So if you have kids, you all know they love pop-ups, especially like young little babies and toddlers. Like, it's so fun. Yeah, so I grabbed this one. And then they also had some holiday ones. So I thought this would be really great for the holidays. Super fun. Yeah. And then this was a steal. I thought these were a really great deal. I just Instagrammed these to share. So this is a Crayola brand, and it's can't even speak. Excuse me. It is mini coloring pages, as you can see. So you get 80 mini coloring pages, and you get 6 washable markers. So what that means, I'll show you. I got the Troll as well. So Trolls and Frozen, and let's see if I can get it open to show you. But what I really liked about it is the pages. It's like individual pages. Here we go. So right here, there's 80 pages, but they're individual, so they can just take a page out. See how fun that is? I thought that was a lot of fun. And they're just little mini, so really great stocking stuffer idea, but also really great if you're traveling and it's falling apart. Of course, my luck. But that's because I accidentally ripped the corners. Oh well. Like I was saying, really great for if you're traveling, going on an airplane or in the car or something like that. It'd be a really great option to have as well. So I didn't see any others. I just saw the Trolls and the Frozen, but I'm sure they probably have more. Sorry for the glare, guys. It's my light. I'm sure they probably have more. I just didn't really dig any further after I grabbed these two here. All right, so I just cleared out the kids stuff. So continuing along, grab some more nails. If you follow any of my hauls, you know that I love these nails. I did an entire review on Dollar Tree nails. That's what I'm wearing. I did a complete review comparing them to ones that you would buy at like the drugstore at Walmart for $10, $12. So if you're interested, check that out. I'm obviously a fan because I keep buying them, but I thought this design was really pretty. And then I've done both of these designs before, so those are repurchases. I was really excited to find these. So I'm trying to use candles that are more soy, and it says soy blend, so I don't actually know if that means it's just blended with regular wax, but I was really excited to see that they have soy options at the Dollar Tree now, and these smell amazing. If you're into any kind of candle that smells like food, these are amazing. They smell like almost like that gingerbread, you know, Christmassy smell that a lot of candles come out with. So they have different phrases. I got the joy and the peace. And I thought that was just really great that they had those options. I also picked up a pack of these. So I've hauled the bigger packages before. I'm going to show you the label because I accidentally took them out and I couldn't get them back in. But here's the label. So these are the Paw Patrol snack containers, and I've hauled the larger containers before that the Dollar Tree carries, and really great because I've done research on it. It is the Nickelodeon brand, and these retail for about $7. They're BPA free, microwavable. You can put them in the freezer, dishwasher. They're really fantastic. So I have the large containers that have 3 sections that I use to make my daughter's meals. And then I thought that I would grab the snack containers today. So they work really great. I put them in the dishwasher almost every day, and yeah, they definitely last. For baking, so grab some mini Snickers, just cause, why not? They had them. Picked up some holiday sprinkles. I thought these were really cute. I really liked the different options. So I need these ones here because I'm going to be doing a holiday bake with me, so stay tuned for that. But look at all the other options. How fun are all of those? Definitely they have a lot of really great options. And I also picked up some icing gel. I really didn't need it, but I picked it up just in case because I'm going to be doing some baking. I thought it would be a great idea for the holidays. And then super random, I thought these were super cute. So these are LED lights. If you guys shop at Dollar Tree, you know they always have LED lights. But these are new. I've never seen them before. You get 10, sorry for the glare, but there they are. They're cute little candy canes. They also had snowmen, they had stars, and they had Santas. And I just thought these were really adorable and would look nice to decorate with. Okay, some more completely random items are these right here. So none of this is new. This is all from like the kids teacher section. I absolutely love that Dollar Tree carries a teacher section. If you, are looking for any teacher supplies, either for work or because you're a teacher, or if you have a daycare or anything like that, great selections at the Dollar Tree. So start off, just grab some tape because I also purchased one of their tape dispensers. So it's a random item. But I picked up 2 packs of these, what would you call them? Oh, it's right there, hanger lines. So it's a line that you just hang on a wall, and then you can use these to just hang different pictures and things like that, just like you see there. So I picked up 2 of these. These are in the picture section, where all the picture frames are. And then I picked up these push pins. How cool are these? So they're push pins, but they have little hooks at the end, so if you want to hang things on them. I thought that was really creative. What a great idea. So definitely picked up a pack of those. And then some of the random school supply type items. I love that these are dry erase. I thought that was a really creative idea. You get a 12 pack and it's all these different signs. So I thought that was a really super great item to grab because they are dry erase, so they can be used over and over. And then these as well can be used over and over. And then these are super fun. So these are large room decorators. You get 15, and they're the one that I got are emojis. Here are some examples of what's inside. Lots of fun. I picked up some letters, so if you're a student at all and you're looking to do a school project, this is also a great area to look. So they have tons of different letters that you can get. So these are the foil ones, and if you look on the back, it will tell you how many of each come in the package. That is an amazing deal for such a fraction of the price. So I got green and red, but they did have blue as well. I think they had like silver. And then I also got these die cut letters as well. So these are larger letters, as you can see right there. And you get 69, and these just pop, you have to pop them out. So I don't see if you see the outline there, you just pop them right out though. And then I picked up some holiday items. Picked up this green container. These are window stickers. These tend to go really super fast, so I grabbed 2 packages of these snowflakes. And then I picked one really big snowflake right here. They also had this in white as well. And that is it. Here's the tape dispenser that I grabbed. Just a random tape dispenser, but hey, if you're looking for one, Dollar Tree. All right, guys, so there's my completely random Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you stuck around till the end, then I'm sure you probably did. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'm definitely going to have more Dollar Trees coming your way, and for sure going to have some holiday Christmas DIYs. If you haven't already seen them, they're going to be out. So thanks so much for watching. Love and peace to you all. Bye.